Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, we will talk about our Eurovent certification. Jasun are proudly certified as a corresponding member of Eurovent, which is the leading European association for indoor climate. Eurovent Certification is the independent product performance group who subject a range of our air filters to strict laboratory tests to ensure they meet exacting standards of performance, efficiency and energy rating. We work closely with Eurovent to help steer our research and development innovations, shape future legislation and promote a positive industry direction with other key filtration experts from around the world. We hold the globally recognised Eurovent Certification of Performance, which you will see on many of our air filters. This gives you the assurance that we manufacture to exacting standards of quality and performance.